Have you ever opened your banking app and felt a sudden wave of anxiety wash over you? The modern world is designed to make us spend, especially when we are just starting our careers. Today, we are uncovering the biggest money mistake people make in their 20s and how to fix it before it's too late. You see the luxury watches and designer cars, but behind that aesthetic often lies a mountain of hidden debt. This trap is known as lifestyle creep. As soon as you earn more, you start spending more, leaving your savings stagnant. Meet Sarah. She just got a promotion, but instead of investing, she upgraded her apartment and her wardrobe immediately. At the end of the month, despite her higher salary, her bank account balance remains dangerously close to zero. But the real cost of lifestyle creep is not just the money spent, it is the loss of compound interest. Investing just $100 at age of 20 yields massive result compared to starting at age of 30. The gap between these two scenarios is often worth hundreds of thousands of dollars in retirement. So, how do we fix this? The first step is to automate your savings so you never even see the money. By moving funds to an investment account automatically, you remove the temptation to spend it on daily wants. Next, follow the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This simple framework ensures you are living within your means while still enjoying the present. Meet Alex. Unlike Sarah, he kept his college living standards even after landing a high-paying job. He lives with a roommate and invests 20% of his income into low-cost index funds. While his peers are stressed about car payments, Alex is watching his net worth grow month after month. Financial freedom is not about having a lot of money. It is about having the power to say no to jobs you hate. It gives you the stability to take risks, travel the world, and build the life you truly want. Imagine a future where you are not working to pay off debt, but working because you enjoy the challenge. This vision starts with the small decisions you make today in your 20s. Remember the compound growth graph. The sooner you start, the easier the journey becomes. Start today, even if it is only with $5. Consistency is the secret to building real wealth. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you show right now. Thanks for watching.